In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a playlist thumbnail in YouTube. So starting from my YouTube channel, I'm going to go to Manage Videos, which opens the YouTube Creator Studio. Pop over to Playlist. This is a list of all the playlists on my channel. Instead of clicking into the actual playlist, I'm going to click the three dots and say Edit on YouTube. This will open the playlist within your YouTube channel. And from here, I can see the videos in my playlist, and I'm going to choose one of these video thumbnails to be my master playlist thumbnail. And you can do that by clicking the three dots on the right-hand side of the video and say Set as Playlist Thumbnail. This is print design. So let me just choose one of the best thumbnails that I think will work for this. How about this one? Prep image for print. I'm going to click the three dots, say Set as Playlist Thumbnail, and there you go. And now if I go over to my playlist and refresh, I can see that new YouTube thumbnail is showing. So that's how you change the playlist thumbnail on a YouTube channel. Subscribe to Crye Studio for more YouTube and graphic design tips. Thanks so much.